of being sincere is you don't care about people. Whenever you care what people say about you, you've lost sincerity. Now, why do we do what we do? To get likes on Facebook, to get followed on Instagram. People come to me and say, "Sheikh, I follow you all the time." And I'm saying, looking behind me, so what do you mean? And they say, "No, I follow you online." The moment you do things to please the people, you displease Allah. And the sign of sincerity is that you don't care whether people praise you or criticize you. When I give a khutbah or I give a lecture, if I meet someone and says, "Wallah, your lecture was the best, I benefit."